Hello everyone, it's Lynette with Charm Grammy Crochet, and today is, I don't know, I think the 16th of September, and this is not a yarn video either, but this is the Egg Beggar Dance video. So if you haven't heard the word on the YouTube streets, there's a little backstory here, but Nancy from She's Got Yarn Too did a video, and in the background music she had playing Laura from Man Mimi's Crochet and Farming, also known as the Egg Beggar, did a dance to the video to the music excuse me, while watching Nancy's video. She videotaped herself and she did the worst thing possible, sent it to Nancy, who then decided that she was going to dance to the music. And so she did a video, and now it's become a hashtag and a challenge to YouTube creators to do the Egg Beggar dance. Now I know Sam and Mike from Mamfa's Makes did the dance. I saw that this morning, and they did a very, very good job. I was very proud of them. So I'm going to attempt this now. I'm going to have on my television, here is Nancy, and here is Lala. So I'm going to try to dance with both of my sisters at one time. We'll see how it works out. You can't tell because I can't get the thing far enough away, but I got on my best Egg Beggar clothing. I have on my comfy hoodie, except it's not a hoodie, it's just a sweatshirt. And I have on my craziest, wildest pants that I own because that's how my Lala dress is. And I don't think that you'll see them at all in the video because I don't think I'll get far enough away, but I tried. Let me see if I can back this up just a little bit more. There's something back there. Let's see. And then, but then I don't know how well you'll see the TV. And you still aren't going to see my crazy pants anyway, so we'll pull it a little closer. I don't know. I've been playing with it for about 10 minutes and I'm like, oh. Okay, so let's see if we can't get this party started. I want you to be able to see the TV. And I hope you can hear the sound.
My internet's acting up, so my clicker won't work. But, okay, we're going to get down to the new Egg Beggar song.
Okay, here we go. Are we ready?
Okay.
I'll get on this side because I'm on this side.
Turn it up.
Oh God, now we gotta go forward.
I challenge you to do the Egg Beggar dance. We're going to do a video. Come on, guys.
Even if you don't have, let me turn this back off.
I'm out of breath. I love you.
Okay, hush up, Nancy. So even if you don't have a YouTube channel, get up and move. It was actually kind of fun. I hope you enjoyed seeing me dance with my sisters. And have a great day. See you tomorrow. Bye.